Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and Her Clothes. So today is Sunday, it's around 11 o'clock. We got up early, took Shannon out to the diner for breakfast, because of course she had to see our diner. And then we took her to the airport and she went home. So we dropped her off and we're home by 9:30 in the morning. And I've been cleaning up, doing my sheets, doing her sheets, and catching up on some YouTube. And that's what I've been doing right now. My husband is outside cleaning cars. And what am I wearing for today? So I am wearing this Faherty top and my new Market and Spruce shorts that Shannon had sent in my fix. And believe it or not, I didn't own any nice white shorts. I had the cutoffs with the frayed ends, but I didn't have any nice ones. I do like these shorts. I'm very glad I did not size up in them because then they would have been too loose in my waist. I do have my braided belt here that I also got from a Trendsend. So the belt and the top are both Trendsend. Short Stitch Fix, and my shoes are my Steve Madden slides. And this is my outfit for today for just kind of hanging around the house, catching up on doing things. At some point I have to do some food shopping. And I must apologize because we did do a video, what day was it, on Friday. And for whatever reason, I didn't, I showed my outfit, she showed her outfit, but apparently I wasn't filming. Because I don't have that video. So last week's you are missing one day. I believe you're missing the day of Friday. All right, take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everybody, it is Monday. Went back to the gym. Shannon went back to her home yesterday. And the outfit I'm wearing today was picked out by Shannon. She was looking in my closet because I, of course, dragged her in there. And she said, why aren't you wearing these pants? I said, okay, fine, I'll wear them on Monday. So I am wearing these Barbie pink cut from the cloth pants that she sent me from a Stitch Fix a while back. They have the exposed button fly here in front, pork chop pockets in front. They're a straight leg style, a thin straight leg though. And I'm wearing my Dolce Vita shoes, and I'm also wearing I think this is a Daniel Rain top that pretty much everybody has, also from Stitch Fix, just in white with the eyelet up here and the split neck. And this is my outfit for today. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everyone, today is Tuesday and I went to the gym this morning, as I did yesterday, but today's workout really wiped me out and I'm ready for a nap. But I have my usual work day ahead. It is almost 8 o'clock and I'll be working until 5. What am I wearing today from my typical work from home? I decided to put on this Ever-E vest. Vests are really big and trending. I actually purchased the vest at TJ Maxx, a different style from this over the weekend, and I'll probably show you that in an upcoming video. I just paired it with my Can boot cut plain Jane jeans that I got from a Stitch Fix. I like these jeans. They actually replaced a pair I had from White House Black Market that I didn't care for anymore, which were more of a low rise, and I just didn't care for the way they fit. I like these the way they fit much better. And I'm wearing them with my Dolce Vita snakeskin slides that I got several years ago. And I was reading something somewhere, or maybe watching a YouTuber, cannot remember, but supposedly snakeskin is going to be on trend again this fall. So good for me, I already own. Don't get me so quick to get rid of things when you hear, oh, animal print's out of style, or this is out of style. I'm sure you can find a place in your closet for your favorite pieces and just hold on to them until they're in style again. All right, take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everyone, it was a rest day from the gym for me today. Between yesterday's workout and the fact that my elbow is kind of achy and there was a lot of rowing today, I decided I should probably take it easy before I overdo it. So what am I wearing today? Today I'm wearing a apparently very controversial top. I've seen one or two YouTubers get this top in their Stitch Fix and they hated it. And then there's other people that absolutely love it. I'm obviously one of the ones that love it. I think this is a really unique top. The quality of it probably isn't the greatest, but there's really nothing anybody would notice about the quality when you're wearing it because it's basically unfinished on the inside versus the outside. It fits well in the armpits. It does have this back detail here where it's cut, and I know a lot of people dislike that. A lot of people do not like this big pattern right here, but all these things about it, I love it. So this is a really unique top, and when I used to wear this to the office, I used to get a lot of compliments on it. So I kept this in my wardrobe, and I was looking at my wardrobe, I'm like, you know, I haven't worn this top in a while, and it's not that dressy. I think this is a rayon, to be honest with you. I don't think it's polyester, or maybe it's like a rayon poly mix. And I'm wearing it with and it wasn't an expensive top either. This was it's by Verse, is the company name, I believe, and it was pretty inexpensive, as I recall, from Stitch Fix. And I'm wearing them with my level 99 blue pants that I received from Poshmark. If you haven't jumped on the level 99 bandwagon, do it. They are very comfortable, fit very well, very stretchy, and I get most of mine through Poshmark for like around $20 a piece, brand new. So don't pay the full retail price if you don't like the price, which is like, oh, well over $100. Poshmark has a ton of them. And with it, I paired my new nude Dolce Vita shoes, which I find goes with everything. So that's what I am wearing today. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everyone, it is after 5 p.m. and this is the first time I'm getting around to doing this today. I was pretty busy today with work, and tonight I am going to pickleball for the first time. So it's a boot camp, we'll see how that goes. Well, what was I wearing today for sitting at my desk all day? I am wearing this little knit top. It's like a t-shirt material that I got at a Wantable a long time ago. I am wearing a pair of Lila Ryan pants that run quite large on me, and as they stretch they keep falling down and I keep having to hike them up. I probably should wear a belt with this. And I'm wearing my Dolce Vita little slip-on sneakers for a very comfy, casual look at home today. And this is my outfit for today. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everyone, it is finally Friday. It is 4:30 in the afternoon and I got 30 minutes left of working, and things are slowing down because it's a Friday on a sunny, bright weekend coming up. So it's really, really hot here. What am I wearing today? So I am wearing this white tank by Loft, several years old, wearing it with my black gauze pants that have the split side right here from Ever Eve, and my new Shoots, I think that's how you pronounce it, shoes from the Nordstrom sale, which I've worn several times already. They're like a minimalist but yet strappy sandal. So yeah, this is what I'm wearing today to try and keep cool, and thank God for air conditioning. All right, take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everybody, it is Saturday and I am not wearing any makeup today, which is like, you're like probably, Carolyn, you never wear makeup. Well, I don't have even eyeliner or mascara on today. Why is that? Well, I got up, went to the gym, up my speeds, and I got to 2.7 miles today, died, came home, showered because I was completely soaking wet, had a little breakfast, and I am going for a massage in just a little bit. So this is what I'm wearing and why I'm not wearing any makeup. I'm just wearing a basic white Amazon Essentials tee. These cut from the cloth shorts that have an easy pull-on style, so I can pull them quickly off to get my massage and pull them quickly on when I'm done. And I'm just wearing my flat Steve Madden slides, again, just to throw it off and quickly throw it back on and after my massage. And after I do all this, I come home and I plan to meal prep for the week. I got a lot of peppers to make. I'm making baked potatoes. I don't think my chicken's defrosted yet, but I want to do the chicken on the barbecue. And yeah, this is what I'm doing for today. Oh, and tonight I'm going to see the Barbie movie with my daughter, but I need to change clothes for that. All right, take care. And today is my last day of styling. See you next week for another week of styling. Thank you again for returning subscribers. If you haven't subscribed, what's holding you back? Click that notification bell to get notified of future videos from me and give me a thumbs up. Take care. Till next time.